Y'all.
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you.
I was stuck in my mind. I couldn't get out. I needed you. It felt like a prison. Forever was doing my time. I need your words so I could break out of mine. Why would I believe a lie? I needed the truth. I'm sick in your mind. Let me go down to the root. I'm done being quiet. I'm speaking my mind. We gon' do this all the time. We gon' do this all the time. I need a bass. I need a grace. And I need a say. I needed love. I need your word. And I needed faith. Why would I move? You live in proof. You carry the weight. We gon' do this all the time. We gon' do this all the time.
Only me and
Forever.
Good morning, guys. It is currently 5:42 a.m. and I'm a little bit tired. Sunday reset, so important. I have a really busy week this week, so I'm gonna be meal prepping, I'm gonna be cleaning, I'm just gonna be getting my mind right. I'm going to church, just tapping in and grounding myself today. Today's just gonna be about curating a space that's gonna set me up for a busy, packed week. Honestly, Sundays along with Wednesdays are my days off from the gym, so I have even more time today just to take it slow, but also get other stuff done.
Holy Spirit, come into my life. Won't you wrap me up inside your life? I know everything's gonna be alright. Best believe this ain't gonna last for life.
I've been drinking bone broth every morning, and when I tell you my tummy is like the flattest it's ever been, it's so good for your gut health. Now it's just part of my morning routine, like my hot cup of bone broth. Honestly, I love it. I've been drinking the Kettle and Fire one, which I love, but I went to Costco yesterday and they had this chicken broth for so much cheaper.
Holy Spirit, come into my life. Won't you wrap me up inside your life? I know everything's gonna be alright. Best believe this here gonna last for life.
Just writing out what I'm gonna do today. Since I have a pretty hefty to-do list, like I have to write it down or else I'm gonna forget or I'm gonna spend too long on one thing. So I just like to get like an overall picture of how much time I actually have to do each thing. General cleaning, grocery, meal prep, fold laundry. Since I am going to the grocery store, I just want to make a list so I'm not in there shopping for stuff I don't need. You know what I mean? Especially when I go to Trader Joe's, y'all. They be getting me with the new stuff, new candles, new body lotion. Like, I don't need none of that. I just need what I need. I think for meal prep this week, I want to make like a coconut curry. Pasturing, potato, broccoli. Trying to figure out what to wear to church. I thrifted this, I think like 2 weeks ago, and I really want to style it. This is going to be the base of the outfit. The shirt says, "I can't wait to see your eyes one day." I got this shirt when I went to the Whole V concert. I might tie it up like this. I don't know. Cute little. Might wear this hat that I bought from my church. This is giving like effortless, like I'm just cool. Got these in the Philippines.
Holy Spirit, come into my life. Won't you wrap me up inside your life? Whoa, I know everything.
I added some freckles. I'm just adding a little more blush. On my way to church. It's so gloomy right now. 2 days ago it was like 80 degrees. I don't know what's going on. I'm the type of person to thrive off sun, but it's still a good day. It's still an amazing day, actually. Just got to Trader Joe's, but I ain't gonna hold you. I am starving. I feel like whenever I get out of church, I just want to eat everything. So if I don't eat this granola bar before I go in there, I'm gonna end up buying the whole store. So I'm eating this Japanese matcha vanilla. It's like 10 grams of protein and it's fire.
love you fire.
kitchen, my fridge is a mess. First thing I'm gonna do is put these groceries away. And I wanna sort out my fridge. If you haven't gotten these pasture-raised eggs from Vital Farms, what are you doing? These are quite literally the best eggs I've ever ate. Y'all, when I tell you there's mold in here, just throw the whole fridge away at this point. Some of this is just moldy by association. These make your herbs last longer, and it looks so cute in the fridge. There's a valve, you put little water on the bottom and makes it last a very long time. Fun fact about me, dishes is my least favorite chore. Real Filipino out here. Y'all, I'm tired, but I'm just eating a little snack. This is the Coconut Colt Probiotic Coconut Yogurt. Y'all, if you want healthy guts, as you can tell, I'm really focusing on my gut health. And it's made such a difference, even in my energy levels and the bloating and the inflammation in my body. I could just tell. If you're wondering how I organize my makeup, literal rubber bands. I'm thinking about getting those IKEA drawers, ones that everyone has. But I like those because if I ever need more storage, I could just buy more of the same drawer. I'm gonna prep for 5 days. To make my life easier during the week, or my mornings easier, I always eat a scramble in the morning, so I just like to pre-cut my veggies that I'm gonna throw in my scramble. I'll place them in these containers and put them in the fridge. For my scramble, I just dice up all my veggies. When I say veggies, I mean bell pepper and onions. That's it. My least favorite part, cutting the onion. I mean, I've heard that if you put like a wet paper towel, the fumes will just go to the towel. So this better work. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to throw my shades on. The fumes apparently are attracted to moisture, and that's why it attacks your eyes. I don't think it's working. I think it's working a little bit because usually at this point, I'm like crying a lot. Why am I getting lightheaded? Y'all, I almost cut my finger off And my eyes are burning. I don't even know what's going on. Part of my nail came off. I don't know where it went, but hopefully I don't eat it. Ooh, those onions almost took me out. I just want to check my calendar. It's about 5:50 p.m. I do not like how it stays bright super late. It feels like it's 1 p.m. and it's almost my bedtime. Like, that's not okay. That's exactly why I've been staying up later than usual. I went to the groceries. I cleaned. I'm washing clothes. And I gotta do an everything shower to start off my week. Super clean, fresh hair, all that. So I think what I'm gonna do is cook my dinner and meal prep my dinners for the week, eat, do my everything shower, and then do the rest of my chores. This is my Cocoa Choco Mushroom Latte. So it has 10 grams of protein. Ooh, it's so good. Every single time it hits. This is the time of the night where I get so excited because this is like, I'm finally winding down. Girl, I cleaned my little tail off today. I already know this shower is about to feel like the best shower I ever had because I cleaned and cleaned today, okay? So fire. Salmon, yellow, or red curry. This is technically red, but I made it yellow with the turmeric. Almost 50 grams of protein. I put tofu and I put a piece of salmon in there. I say do yourself a favor and oil yourself up before you go to bed. In the morning, you're gonna wake up with baby skin. Whenever I want to sleep really, really good, I make myself a Sleepy Girl mocktail. It's pretty sweet, so I don't like to have it too often, but Sunday nights is when I want really good sleep, so that Monday I'm just focused. This is such a great alternative to wine. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I haven't drank since November last year. Like almost 6 months, y'all. That's crazy. It doesn't even feel like it. I really just don't desire to go out anymore, like to clubs or to bars. Like I just don't have the desire to drink at all. This is like the same thing without all the crazy side effects of wine. Little aromatherapy before we sleep. This is a pillow mist. My sister got it for me. Thanks, Ate. First thing I want to do when I get into bed is plan my week. So first I'm going to start off with my workouts, big events, everyday major tasks, and just other notes I want to have throughout the week. Even like your weekly goal. If there's anything you really want to focus on this week, put that in there. enjoy journaling because I just imagine my future daughter reading this and being like super interested in my life. Or she could think I'm totally lame. I'm very into my healing journey and this journey with Christ. And just looking back to where I was like a year ago, seeing the people you used to hang out with, things that stick out to you throughout your day, we just get so caught up in our everyday task and we really don't give ourselves the time to reflect on our growth. To end my night, I'm gonna read this book. It's like super short, but I'm like halfway done with it already. Seek Him First. I just found it on Amazon. It's nice. I like it. It's very practical. You could just apply it right away. About how to hear from God, how to walk in His will, and how to change your world. I'm already falling asleep because of that Sleepy Girl mocktail. Usually, I have a hard time falling asleep, so what I do is I'll just play any type of music or sound or rain, or I'll even do like Bible readings sometimes just to help me, like ASMR Bible readings, just to make me fall asleep. Good job on getting all your tasks done today and making it easier for yourself throughout the week. You're gonna love yourself tomorrow, trust me. Love you guys, good night.
I know that sometimes don't work out how you want it to.